I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, the soybeans were up again. It seems that the trucker strike in Brazil continues, and that's giving our market a little bit of a lift. We've been looking for a little shot in the arm, as it were. Plus, the removal of the Chinese tariff threat has really sent the market a little bit higher, and now it's starting to get up a little bit more of a head of steam. Also, it seems that the export demand domestically has really been very strong, but we have to really be careful because there has been, I think, some of the oilseed prices from Brazil are so low right now that it makes it very enticing for China to go and buy there, even though the tariff tariff threat has been lifted. So we have to watch that closely. Now, corn was also higher, and these are new highs, and they're like really that's showing the market has a lot more strength. And exports remain really strong in the corn sector, and now there's like a lot of non-commercials we're also buying, and so they're really making bets to the upside, and it's really kind of like boosting some of the corn futures. Now, we had new highs yesterday and another new high today. Now, the market didn't start screaming or anything like that, but it is just marching higher. So it's starting to build up a little bit of momentum as we're moving in towards the end of the week. We're going to watch that day to day though, but it's still looking very good. Wheat was also firm. We finally were able to, come back a little bit. This high volatility has the trend to the upside, thank goodness, because the wheat has been so choppy lately. We weren't sure exactly which way it was going to go. But the big volume, the big volatility, and the wide ranges over the last couple of days made us a little unsure as to which way they were going to go. But the market is really starting to move their way up. Some of the traders are scratching their heads to say, what's exactly going on here? We had all the hot and dry weather in the southern plains. We thought the market would really be screaming by now, or at least be very firm. With it being very volatile, it's acting just like wheat normally does. It's a little bit of a thin market, so it bounces around a lot more than we expect. But it still looks like that the futures are driving to the upside, and we're going to be watching that closely. As the corn and the soybeans market move higher, there's definitely going to be spillover buying, and we're going to be moving right into the planting season. And of course, we're in a full-blown weather market right now. I know it's been a little bit late getting to the springtime or the summertime, but if we have some hot and dry weather here in the U.S. During our summer, we can see all these markets moving much higher from here. So we're going to watch that closely. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.